So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download a driver. Then you can see this is search button. Just click on it. Then enter the model number of your motherboard X170 Extreme ECC and then hit enter. Then click on product. After that you can see this is your motherboard. Just click on it. Then click on support. Select your operating system which is you require, Windows 10 server, or all the installations process same. So select this first audio driver, create audio driver, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. You can say like that. After that, chipset. So this is important and this one important. Okay, click to download and download this one. LAN driver, and LAN means internet. Just click download. VGA driver, Intel VGA display driver, and click to download. And after that you can see it start downloading. So when it is downloaded, after that open the folder where it is downloading, like I show you File Explorer and the download button, these locations. Okay, so this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then OK, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then OK. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.